Going on to the next page, we are in My Math, Chapter 1, Lesson 6, page 43. And it says, apply the strategy up at the top. Go ahead and put your name at the top. You're going to write a number sentence or a number equation to solve the problem. Problem number 1, there are 3 rabbits at a farm. The farmer buys 9 more rabbits. If you noticed, I circled them. You might want to just underline them. How many rabbits are there now? So how many rabbits are there now? That's important. So first we had 3 rabbits, and then we got 9 more rabbits, and that equaled a number of rabbits. So 1, 2, 3, and 9 more. Okay, let's count them. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That gave us 12. 12 what? And see, they labeled 12 rabbits. Just like that. All right, brain builders. Chung, that's just someone's name. Chung always picks 5 flowers at home after school. How many flowers will he have after 3 days? So how many flowers? Okay, so 5 flowers. Okay. Always picks 5 flowers at home after school. So every day after school, he picks 5 flowers. And I need to find this out. How many flowers will he have after 3 days? Okay, so 5 on day 1. And then the next day, we got to add 5 more on day 2. And we need to know for 3 days. And we've got to add on 5 more for day 3. And that will equal our sum. So 5 plus 5 makes 10. And I'm just going to put 10. That's our magic number right there. And 10 plus 5 equals 15. 15 flowers. Okay. And you could draw your arrays or your dots if you needed to, so you can see this problem, so it can be easier for you to understand it. And I'm just going to do that down here real fast, and then we'll count them up together. Okay, guys? I don't think Killian will be counting with us because he looks asleep. Kind of. Yeah. All right. 5 plus 5 plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 flowers. They labeled it. They did a good job. All right, let's do this last one on page 43. Number 3, Mrs. Lewis has 4 books for her reading group. She finds more books. So I think she finds more books. So I'm going to circle that just to help me see. What you do is up to you, but they want you to underline and circle the question. Mrs. Lewis has 4 books for her reading group. She finds more books. So we might think it'll be more than 4. Mrs. Lewis now has 12 books. Ah, this is interesting. How many books does she find? So she has 4 books for her reading group. And she finds more books. And now she has 12. How many did she find? So this is kind of a trick question. Okay, let's start with what we understand. And we read through it twice carefully. Now, let's plan this. How can we solve this problem? One way we can solve this problem is by writing down what we know about it. So she has 4 books. She already has 4 books for her reading group. She did not find those 4 books. She had already bought them somewhere else. They were already with her at home. And She finds more books. Does it say how many more? It does not. Does not say. So I'm going to put this. And she finds a number of books, a question mark. And Mrs. Lewis now has 12 books. So now, 12 books now. Okay. Do they want to know how many books she has now? Killian is shaking his head no. He says no. They want to know how many books she finds. They want to know what this number is. Okay. So one way I can do that is actually by changing the order and starting with the 12 books now, because I know I have 12 books, okay, right now, and I wrote that there. I'm going to subtract or take away the number of books that she already had at home. She already had these 4, so they don't really count in what she found. So 12 books minus 4 books equals that question mark, equals that. So let's draw this out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's our 12 books now. And let's take away the 4 that she already had at home or that she bought from Amazon. And that's going to give me this number. So when I count now, I'm going to have this, okay, this difference. The how many books did she find, okay, the book she found. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Our answer is a difference of 8. Okay, and we can check this by doing 4 plus 8 to get 12. So our answer over here is going to be 8 books.